Hello guys, so today I'm going to be making a video to show you how you use our alarm system. This is a control panel with the Google Nest Hub, and how you can use the panel to control lights. Like I've got one floodlight there, so I'll be showing you. So for starters, I'm going to show you I've configured the system to be able to switch on the light if I arm and switch off the light if I disarm. So there are many options that you can choose from, but for now I'm going to start with that. So let me just try to show you what I'm talking about. So this is a remote. I'm going to be using a remote for this. So let me just try to
System armed.
So going to see the light is going to switch on like that. As you can see, if I switch it off like that, see the light is going to switch off. So this is a smart environment. You'll be using automations to switch on, switch off your lights. Let's say you've got floodlights outside. You want them to switch on immediately when you arm your system, and you want them to switch off in the morning when you disarm your system. You can do that. So you can do other options like let me show you other options, like when the system is triggered, the light will switch on. That's another option. You can choose, maybe you've got a different set of floodlights. Maybe you've got a big brighter one. When the alarm is triggered, it switches on. So let me just show you. I have configured, but I have configured on the same light. I could have, if I had multiple lights, I could have configured them differently. But let me show you. When I let me just remove the trigger when armed. Let me just switch off there. So if I arm now, you'll see that it won't switch on because I've deactivated that instruction. So let me just try to arm like that. So you can see the light is not switching on, because I want to show you what happens if the alarm is triggered. So for now, I'm just going to press on the SOS button to trigger the alarm, to show you like that. As you can see, it's switched on. And you just disarm. If you disarm, switches off. So you've got my phone is buzzing now, buzzing with messages, panic alarm. So that's how it works, pairing with the control panel without using the Google Nest app. So let's say you now want to use voice commands. If you want to use voice commands, you need to have either Google Nest Hub or Google Nest Mini. We have those in stock. So this one I'm using, this one has got a touchscreen control panel. A touchscreen control panel where you can do multiple things. You can watch a movie from there, do a lot of things. I'll show you. So first of all, I created a command. You can create custom commands, custom voice commands. So for me, I created a scenario where I want where I want to go to sleep, but I want to switch off my light. So what do I say? I created a string where I say, switch them off or switch them on. So let me just show you. Okay, Google, switch them on.
I'm here and ready to help. If you want me to turn on a specific smart device, just say, turn on, followed by the name of the device as it appears in the Google Home app.
Okay. Switch my light on. Okay, Google, switch my light on.
Alright. right,
can see
turning on the bedroom light.
the light is on, as you can see there, and I can switch it off. Okay, Google, switch them off.
Good night. Switching off the light.
As you can see, even the reply, I'm the one who wrote that reply, so you can put in anything that you want. Let's say you've got a geyser, maybe an instance, you've got a geyser, and then you want to save electricity. You can configure your geyser, the Google, to switch your geyser on, maybe let's say at 3 a.m 4 a.m, so when you wake up your water will be ready, and then maybe you tell it to, you just configure it to switch it off automatically, maybe 9 a.m. It can be done by using these triggers and using this environment. So you can control your lights, control your geyser, control your aircon, control your TV, switch on, switch off your TV, do a lot of things. Let me just show you one thing on the TV. Okay, Google, show me what do I want?
Sorry,
what do I want?
What do you want to see?
A lot of things. Okay, Google, play Bumblebee.
I looked for Bumblebee, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Okay. I didn't specify. Okay, Google, play Bumblebee on Netflix.
I looked for Bumblebee on Netflix.
Oh, it's
but
no
it
longer
either
on
isn't
Netflix.
available or can't be played right now.
Okay, what movie is on Netflix? Okay, Google, play Troll Hunters on Netflix.
Okay, playing Troll Hunters, Tales of Arcadia on Netflix.
Okay, so as you can see, it's now, just give it a bit of time, it's going to be playing on there. So you can use this to cast on your TV. Well, the network is a bit slow, but it's loading. So you can even choose to play like that. So it's now playing a movie. You can tell it to cast on your TV if you don't want to watch from that screen, because this one is a 13-inch screen, quite small. Maybe you want it to, and then you can again arm your system. Let me just show you. Okay, Google, arm my security system.
I'm not sure which level to set the alarm host to. Try saying, set the alarm host to away mode, or set the alarm host to home mode.
Okay, Google, set the alarm host to away mode.
System armed. Sure. Arming the alarm host.
The alarm is now armed. So I can disarm. Let me just show you. Okay, Google, disarm my alarm system.
Can I have your PIN?
1 2 3 4.
System disarmed. Disarming the alarm host.
It's disarmed. So with this you can use voice command for a lot of things. Yeah, so I think oh, and one more thing, with the smart environment you've got the options to check your electricity. Let's say I get into the app. This is I can control even with my phone to switch on my light. This is my bedroom light. So you can see, as an example, if I just tap this, my light is on. If I tap it like that, my light is off. So with this I can see my electricity bill, the amount of voltage that's coming in, total electricity bill for January, May, and I can even create a schedule, a timer, where it's automated. It knows that at 6 p.m. switches on by itself, at 6 a.m. switches off by itself. So you can do all of these things in the environment with the alarm system there. So yeah, that's what you can do. I think I left out a lot of things, but yeah, I think I touched the important ones. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and you log in for the next video. Thanks.